If Telegram is showing error 0 on your Windows PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Telegram working again. This issue is often caused by network problems, corrupted cache files, or permission issues, and the good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to reset your network settings using command prompt. To do that, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, then right-click on command prompt and choose Run as administrator. This is important because the commands we're about to use need administrator access. Once command prompt opens, type netsh winsock reset and press enter. This command resets the Windows network socket settings and can help fix connection-related issues that may be preventing Telegram from opening properly. After that, type ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. This clears your DNS cache, which can also help remove bad or outdated network data that may be causing the error. When both commands are done, restart your computer so the changes can fully take effect. After your PC restarts, if Telegram is still showing the error, the next step is to clear the app cache. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box, then type %appdata%/Telegram desktop and press enter. This will take you directly to Telegram's local data folder. Inside this folder, look for any corrupted temporary files or cache folders. If you see anything that looks broken, outdated, or unnecessary, delete those cache or temporary files carefully. Clearing this data can often fix launch errors because Telegram may be trying to load damaged files from a previous session. Once that's done, close the folder and try opening Telegram again. If the issue still isn't fixed, the next thing to try is running Telegram as an administrator. First, make sure Telegram is completely closed. Open Task Manager and end any running Telegram processes so there are no background instances still active. Then go to your Telegram desktop shortcut, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Launching the app with elevated permissions can solve access issues that may be blocking Telegram from starting normally. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will fix Telegram error 0 right away. If not, I recommend going back and repeating the network reset and cache cleanup carefully to make sure nothing was missed. Sometimes, the smallest corrupted file or a stuck permission setting is all it takes to cause this kind of problem. If this video helped you, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.